Meaning of diaspora.
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 Diaspora. Diaspora refers to the scattering or dispersion of people from their original homeland or country. This term usually refers to a group of people who have been forced to leave their homeland due to political, economic, or social reasons and have settled in different parts of the world. The result of diaspora is the creation of diverse communities that are often separated geographically but still connected by their shared cultural heritage. Diasporas have been formed throughout history, with notable examples including the Jewish diaspora, the African diaspora, and the Chinese diaspora.